and I'm a second year music student at the University of Nottingham, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my all-time favourite meals to cook whilst at uni. It's super quick, it's super easy, and I think I have nailed it, if I do say so myself. It is a cheesy bacon vegetable pasta bake. It's super adaptable, so if you are veggie, you could just take out the bacon and maybe put in some veggie sausages. If you're gluten-free, you could just use gluten-free pasta. It's so easy and great. Okay, so first up, I thought I would show you all the ingredients you need. So, obviously, we need some pasta. Pretty key ingredient. Then, I'm being lazy and I'm using a cheddar sauce mix. These are so cheap and you can find them pretty much in any supermarket. In terms of seasoning, I've got a vegetable stock cube, some chicken seasoning, which I know sounds weird because I'm having it with bacon, but trust me, it is amazing. Some salt and pepper. And then the veg, I do something different every time. It's basically whatever veg I've got in. So I've got some broccoli, an onion, a carrot, and a couple of potatoes. Then I'm going to have some cheese, just some standard cheddar cheese to grate over the top, so it'll be all melted and lovely. And then, of course, bacon. First of all, what you want to do is prepare all your vegetables. So you want to chop them into fairly small chunks. I'll show you what it looks like once I've done that. And then we're going to cook them. And all of my ingredients here will probably take about 10-15 minutes to cook everything. So I've chopped up the carrots and potatoes, and this is the kind of size of them. I've also done my broccoli, but this takes about 5 minutes less to cook than these vegetables. So I'm going to put these on, just boiling water, let it boil for about 10 minutes, and then I'll add these for another 5 minutes, and then that will be ready. And my onion, I'm going to dice, I think. Yeah, I'm going to dice it. I'll show you how I do that. And I'm going to fry that with the bacon. This is what it should look like. Basically just small bits of onion. It doesn't matter if they're in strips or little bits. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to fry that with the bacon in a minute. So what I've done is I have put all of the onion and bacon into a bowl, and as you can see, I've cut the bacon up into small pieces. So the great thing about this dish is, if you don't time it perfectly, that's okay, because at the end of it, we're going to be putting it in the oven to make all the grated cheese on top go melted. So it's okay if some of it goes cold. So like or starts to go cold. So I've boiled my veg a little bit too early, so like I haven't done the pasta yet, I just forgot. But that's okay, it can just stay in the pan off the heat, and I can add it all in when it's ready. So you just kind of want to get each little bit ready, and then at the final stage you'll throw everything together. The vegetable stock. What I like to do is you literally just crumble this up into the pasta, into the pasta water, and it gives the pasta a really nice vegetable-y flavour. It's really subtle, but it adds a little something. So that's how I'm going to use the vegetable stock today. So I'm at the stage now where I've got all of my veg ready, and I've put in the onion and the bacon, so that is waiting. It's off the heat and it's just waiting there. I've got, it looks gross when you add the vegetable stock, but trust me, it tastes amazing. I've got the pasta cooking. While that is cooking, I've decided I'm going to do the washing up, because not many of us like to wash up. One way you can tackle that is, whilst you're waiting for something to cook, you can get a bit ahead of the game and do some washing up. So that is what I'm going to do now.
What's an election? Love's the weapon. Trust in the blessing. If it all fell apart, would I trust in God?
So I have cooked the pasta. Good job, me. This is what it looks like. Pretty sure you know what pasta looks like. So yeah, I've got the veg, the bacon and the onion ready. I've got the pasta ready. So now I just need to make the cheese sauce. So I have made the cheese sauce. This is what it looks like. This is how thick it should go. So I'm going to put half of that in with the vegetables, the bacon and the onion, and half of it with the pasta. Mix them all together and then put the vegetable into the pasta. So the big reveal, this is what it should look like at the end. Oh, it looks so good. So yeah, it just mixed everything in and it's really super easy. So all I've got left to do now is just add some salt and pepper and a bit of chicken seasoning. Now, as I said, it sounds weird that I have chicken seasoning, but this has literally just got paprika, onion and parsley. So it's not like It just goes well with chicken, but I think it goes well with this. So I'm gonna put some of that in. So I put some grated cheese on. You can put however much or however little you want, depending on your taste. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven on about 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here is the pasta when it is completely finished. All the cheese has melted on top and it just looks so tasty. And I've made more than one portion, so I can freeze it or put it in the fridge for when I need a quick dinner. And yeah, it's really tasty, really quick, really easy. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments whether you've tried this out or whether you've adapted it in any way. And yeah, I'll see you again soon. Bye.